Alright, so here it is, the K310 washable keyboard. We are going to make use of the washable features of this keyboard. And we'll see how it goes. There you go. Okay, you tell me if the keyboard is something we should keep. We should return it to Best Buy. So after 30 minutes of testing, we'll see how things are. So after, it wasn't 30, it was only ended up being 15 minutes. None of the keys are popped off, which is great. And still appears to work, so now we go with the food residue test.
That's dinner.
Okay, dinner, and then we have, beside dinner is what?
Ketchup.
And then beside the ketchup?
I don't know.
Mustard.
Mustard?
And then beside the mustard? Soy sauce.
Soy sauce?
Yep. Beside the soy sauce?
Jam?
Yep. Oh, wow, Caitlin, calm down.
Cold pizza?
Cold pizza.
Lettuce?
Lettuce, yeah.
Lettuce.
And then up here is some wine, some white wine.
Wine?
Yeah. So the lettuce, we sort of, we did this into the keys, so we'll see if they turn green. And the pizza, we sort of squished in a little bit as well. But I think we should do the rest of them like that as well.
And how are we going?
Can you help me? I'm going to do the jam. Ooh, look at the jam go everywhere. Can you do the mustard? Or the ketchup?
I'm going to do the ketchup.
Okay, you're going to do the ketchup? Good. I'll do the mustard. The soy sauce sort of did itself. And then do the weird rice. Oh, fine, I'll do the weird rice.
I'll do this.
How about the white wine?
Wet wine sort of is a liquid, right? So it's not gonna... Okay, so we have some distinct zones. And we'll just go ahead and put this in the dishwasher. And then we'll see how it works. I put some cottage cheese on the top as well, just to see. It's been about 20 minutes or so sitting just with stuff on it. So hopefully that will be enough to cause lots of problems. Alright, well here it is after the dishwasher. And you can see it looks pretty good. Still a little bit wet because I didn't let it go through the dry, but for the most part it looks good. Even the area that I rubbed in the salad, and there's no green spots. So I would say that it does appear to have survived, and it works. So I tested it before it was dry, but it seemed not to fry the computer, so yeah, it's working great, so yay.